Well, so what's up guys, welcome back to Edges Pictures. So if you are a photographer, then you also retouch your photos. Spending time in softening down your skin with mixer brushing or frequency separation or any other method. So today I am going to give you a plugin that will save your time in retouching your skin. Before beginning toward the tutorial, follow me on Instagram. Let's get started. First of all, create the copy of the background layer and then go to filters, and in the last you can see the plugin. So just click on it. So after opening the plugin, so you can see how perfectly it automatically softens down the skin. Skin texture. If you want more skin texture, then decrease the fine all the way to left and hit OK. So that's all about the tutorial. Thanks for watching.